Hi, my name's Trevor, and I'm from Kenogami, Ontario, and I'm putting to the test this Anova Sous Vide Cooker. I'm testing it today by cooking some steaks, and I like this unit because it lets us get our temperatures right to precision, and then we finish them up the way we like them on the barbecue or in the frying pan. And this particular unit is pretty awesome with its Bluetooth connectivity. So using the app, you find a recipe that you like, get the stuff prepared, push the cook button on your phone, and it sets the time and temperature on your cooker, and the rest of the work is done. You season it, put the bags in when it gets to temperature, and the timing's all set. I'm looking forward to enjoying these steaks tonight, and I highly recommend this cooker. I would absolutely recommend this precision immersion cooker to family and friends.